Okay, and an alarm clock. So this is our Edgar Allan Poe inspired story of the haunted alarm clock.
The Haunted Alarm Clock by Bender. I did lie upon my weary bed, all the noises within my head. I could feel it ticking there. That evil alarm clock seemed everywhere. I could hear it tick, over and over again. Suddenly, it spoke and it said,
"Wake up already!"
The thing I did dread most, waking, going to my occupation. Oh no, not the file cabinets.
Get up already, you lazy bum!
All right! Snooze!
I thought that I had defeated the evil alarm clock. My snooze button had silenced it momentarily. But suddenly, it sprang back to life.
I'm back! Wake up!
I'm awake!
Not enough! You need to be more awake!
I reached for my trusty hammer that I keep next to the bed.
Oh, I'm awake, all right!
I crushed the alarm.
Down! 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 Down!
End chapter 1. Chapter 2. As I stood in stunned silence, I watched the crushed alarm clock begin to piece itself back together, piece by piece, bit by bit. I could feel the Roman numerals on its face staring into my soul.
It can't be!
It is!
Then a spirit appeared from the wall. It was in league with this hideous creature.
Ooh. Is he fully awake yet?
I didn't see him drink any coffee!
I'm awake! I don't need coffee!
Suddenly, I heard the cry of the coffee maker.
Okay, I'll get some coffee!
Tick,
The coffee maker mocked me.
Tick. Hat. Tick. You don't look very awake.
tick.
He's not awake.
I'm telling you, I'm awake!
Not awake enough.
I'm drinking black coffee!
The coffee was strange and bitter, and then the coffee spoke to me.
You only drinking a couple sips from my cup. I don't think you're awake enough.
Jesus, are you all my mother?
End chapter 2. Chapter 3. All the speaking instruments had gathered together into a single form. And it was, I realized, the ghost of my mother, sending me to school as she had all my life before her tragic death, which was accidental. Honestly, it was.
Honestly, it was!
Do it!
I didn't do it!
Yes, you did!
You can't prove that!
Yes, we can.
No! I'm awake! I tell you, I'm awake!
Slowly, the hodgepodge of strange instruments moved toward me with a vicious and terrible look in their eyes, and they began to sing.
not my mother.
We know you did.
Oh, you sound.
We know you did. We will haunt your dreams.
My sanity was slipping away. I ran from the house. It followed me. I saw a police officer. I ran to him.
You've got to help me. You've got to help me.
Just slow down there, sir. What is going on? Tell me.
I'm being chased and pursued.
Oh, well, that sounds mighty. I don't see anything around here. Are you sure you're feeling good?
I'm awake. I'm awake.
Are you really awake?
I think so.
And that is how I ended up in the asylum all these years.
And Steve, bravo. Let's hear it for your cast today.